Welcome to another session of solving problems with Elixir. In this video, we are going to talk about how writing the purpose of the function before writing its definition helps us in designing good functions. So in one of the previous videos, we talked about the benefit of function signatures. In Elixir, those are defined by the @spec attribute. How do the function signatures help us design better function? And in this one, we are going to talk about how do the purpose helps us write better functions and how do we write the purpose in Elixir. So let's get started. A purpose is a single statement in plain English which defines what does a function do. It does not define how a function do something, but it defines what does it do. So let's actually look at an example here and we know how to write one. So to write the purpose, we have to specify it inside a function documentation, and we write function documentation with @doc attribute. So once we start the @doc attribute, the first line will typically be the purpose of the function. So in this particular example, it is just producing a string hello world. So we can write produces a greeting hello world. That's it. So this single line tells us what exactly is the purpose of this function. Now let's write in a similar fashion the purpose of the second function. Start with the @doc attribute, and inside the doc attribute we are going to write our purpose. So in this case we are going to say produces a personalized greeting given the name. Right? When we are given the name of a person, it produces a personalized greeting. So there you have it. So now we are at a point where there are three distinct pieces in a function design. The first one is the purpose of the function, which is defined inside the @doc attribute. The second piece is the signature of the function, which defines the name, the number and type of arguments, and the type of the output value that it produces. And then finally we have the function definition. So this is where the actual computation is happening, but a overall better design would always have these three components, and typically you would start off with writing the signature, and that signature allows us to write a clear purpose, and together the signature and the purpose allows us to write clear definitions. So that's it for this session, and I'll see you in next one.